In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pull Google Analytics reports in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or just starting your journey in understanding website metrics, knowing how to efficiently access and interpret your Google Analytics data is crucial. With this guide, you'll be able to effortlessly navigate through the platform and extract the valuable insights you need. To begin, let's head over to the Google Analytics website. If you haven't done so already, open your web browser and search for Google Analytics, or simply navigate to Google Marketing Platform. This is where all your analytical needs are met and the magic begins. Once you're on the Google Analytics homepage, it's time to sign in. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see the Sign into Analytics button. Click on it to proceed. If you're not yet logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Make sure you're using the correct account associated with your analytics data. Now that you're signed in, you'll land on the Google Analytics homepage. This is the starting point of all your data analysis. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. It's filled with various metrics and entities that provide a snapshot of your website's performance. You can see your real-time visitors, user demographics, and much more, all in one glance. Next, we're going to dive deeper into specific data by accessing the Reports section. On the left-hand pane, you'll see several options. Find the Reports tab and click on it. The Reports section is where you get detailed insights about your site's visitors, traffic sources, conversions, and more. The Reports page is your analytical playground. Here you can find different categories such as audience, acquisition, behavior, and conversions. Each category offers detailed reports that help you understand your user's journey from when they land on your site to when they complete a desired action. If you're looking to know how visitors are getting to your site, the acquisition report will be invaluable. Curious about what pages are performing best? Check out the behavior report for insights. As you're going through these reports, remember that each piece of data tells a story about how visitors interact with your website. Play around with different date ranges and segmentation options available in the reports to get a clearer picture that answers your specific questions. And there you have it, you've successfully accessed and started exploring the Google Analytics reports. With these insights at your fingertips, you can make informed decisions to improve your online performance. Keep practicing and diving into more complex data points as you grow familiar with the platform. Thanks for watching, and continue exploring the depths of your data with confidence.